Hey everybody, Chris here at the Southwest Center again. Wanted to share another non-curricular test today. As we've said in previous videos, we're always wanting to post new videos and be able to share ideas that you can use in your math classrooms. So today's task comes from the website Beast Academy, and I've got it written down here at the top. So beastacademy.com/all-10. So the game is actually called All 10. And the cool thing about this link that you see up here is there's a new puzzle or a new game posted every day. And essentially what changes are the four numbers. The rules around the game, at least when I've been playing it, don't change. We still use the four operations you see here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and we always have some parentheses we can use. But what changes is the four numbers each day. And the idea behind the game is you're given these four numbers and these operations, and you're just trying to create answers that equal 10. And so I've just got 1 through 5 written here for the sake of just creating a short video. But on the website, you would see boxes that had numbers 1 through 10. And you could do this online with your students, but ideally, if you want them to be able to collaborate and work at the whiteboards, like we talk about with some of our BTC videos, you as a teacher could go on to this website. You could take a screenshot of the numbers. You could work out the answers for yourself to make sure you had some solutions. But there's lots of different ways you could present this information to your students. So let's just talk about how we might start on this task. So if we just was going to walk students through a few answers to kind of get them started, or we were going to have everybody standing up and kind of launching the task. So we might just start with an easy answer. So how would we get to, let's say, 4? And the way these rules work is these numbers can be combined. So the 1 and the 4 can actually make 14. So we'll start here. So if we had 14, and let's say we just did -4 and -6. So if you noticed, I've used all four numbers. The operations can repeat. So there's nothing tricky about that. You don't have to use all four operations in each problem. Those are just the operations you have to choose from. So if we were going to give an example for 3, we might say something like 1 plus 4 plus 4 minus 6. So we might walk through this with our students clearly and how we got to that answer. Would we need to use parentheses eventually? Yes, we certainly would. So if you were working on order of operations or any other conversations with your students, this can really lend itself to some really great number sense and fluency practice. Like we say all the time, this is much more engaging than just giving your kids a worksheet. And generally, you're going to get a lot more productive conversations from your students. So that's always the hope. And as always, if we can be more of assistance, reach out to us here at the center. We would love to come support your math classroom.